Welcome, we're back. Sorry it took a second. So I went ahead and screwed the first level together. It took a lot longer to do it than I wanted it to, so the video wasn't really working very well. But basically, you take one of the frames, you sit it down on your flat surface, whether it's a work table or, in my case, the floor, because I'm in my living room. You put the tub on it, and then you screw it into the boards. Now, at this point, when you build the next step, this is the part that really you have to focus on. Alright, so I used the 2x4s that I cut off of the ends. These are 72-inch legs. I took one of the 2x4s and I'm using it to separate from the bottom of the tub to the next level. I'm not putting the slides on yet. I'll put them on after I get the braces on there because those are going to take a little extra work and I want it to be secured before I go pushing on the metal slides. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 2x4s in between, and I got me a little level. And I'm going to level this leg right here at the back of the thing. Alright, so it's level like this. And then it's level like that. Alright. What you want to do is get this board to the back of it as best you can. Make it even. And double check your level. As close to level as you can. This is where having two drills that you can just pick up works, because alright. So I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to double check yet again. So I'm going to drill. Two holes. And this is where having an extra person helps, because one person can hold, and one person can screw. The level is very important to help with balance of everything. Alright. Now that the one's in there, I can double check it. Actually pretty good. And that's your other thing. You have to make sure you don't line up with the screw that you put in your 2x2 in the back. That's the other downside. So, I messed that all up. That's as good as it's going to get back here, I think. Alright, now I'm going to do that to all 4 of these legs, and then I'll be back.